everyone and welcome back. I'm going to take you through your winter warming lunch now. So we've got a roasted chickpea and butternut squash, which is absolutely packed full of antioxidants and again is a really anti-inflammatory recipe. So for this you're going to need a large pan, preheat your oven to 180, and you're going to need about 200 grams of butternut squash chopped, 200 grams of fresh carrots, 2 large red peppers. So in these ingredients we've got vitamin C, we've got vitamin A, and we've got beta carotene. So these are really great properties in these vegetables for anti-inflammatory, and they can fight things like arthritis, reduce all kinds of inflammation in your body, and also have cancer fighting properties. So it's a really great recipe, an all-rounder. And I've also packed in some other ingredients in here. So we've got garam masala. You can just use ginger and turmeric because it contains, again, the anti-inflammatory properties in there. So we need 1 tablespoon of the garam masala, and then 2 cloves of garlic, fresh garlic, and then 1 can of chickpeas, and then we've got our protein in the chickpeas as well. We've got our fatty acids, which we spoke about with breakfast this morning. So in order to absorb different types of antioxidants, it's really good to complement things with the fatty acids. So we have that in 1 can of full fat coconut milk. And then we just need 1 vegetable stock cube in 600 mils of boiling water, and then a little bit of olive oil. You can use avocado oil as well. So avocado oil has a higher heat temperature, and I really like the taste of both, but it doesn't matter too much. We've got a pinch of Himalayan rock salt, which is lovely. You can use natural rock salt as well. And then just some ground black pepper, and that's it. That's everything that you're going to need. So you can go ahead and get all of that prepared, get your butternut squash peeled and chopped. You can mince or finely chop the garlic, and then chop up your peppers and your carrots as well, and we'll meet back here to get started. So once you have all of that chopped, start to pop it in the pan. I'm going to roast this for about 30 minutes so it absorbs all the spices and gives it that nice smoky flavour. And then just sprinkle over the garlic, about a tablespoon of the garam masala, just sprinkle it over, a bit of ground black pepper, about half a teaspoon of rock salt, or the Himalayan rock salts, whichever you have in your cupboards, and then you top with the chickpeas and a drizzle of olive oil. And then just give that a good stir. Make sure everything's coated, really nice with all the spices. Oh, it smells so good already. And then once that's all done, all you need to do is just pop it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes at 180. So once you've taken your roast veggies out of the oven, just let it cool off. I don't have bionic hands right now. This is cooled down because you won't be able to put it in the blender until it's nice and cool. So all you need now is some coconut milk. So 1 can of coconut milk, your 600 mils of veg stock, and then all you need to do is just blend it up. So we've got enough ingredients here to serve 3, but we'll just make 1 for now. So all you need to do is just pop the veggies in. And then mix it in with some vegetable stock. And finally some nice coconut milk. And blend it up. do. So it is obviously cool right now, so pop this on the stove and heat it up. And then we're also going to have an option of some toasted walnut croutons. For that, all you need to do is chop up some walnuts. Again, walnuts are great if you have your omega-3 fatty acids. And they're rich in antioxidants as well. So drizzle a bit of olive oil in a pan. Pop your walnuts in, and again, an option for some salt and pepper. And then just toast these for about 5 minutes. And there we go. Once you've heated up your soup and toasted your walnuts, you can serve. And it smells delicious. And there we have it, our roast butternut squash and chickpea soup. I hope you enjoy.